Welcome to Infobot 19 channel. Today we are going to see one authentic traditional sun-dried tomato pickle. So this is tomato season and you get tomato for very cheaper price. So this is the right time to buy some tomatoes and make pickle out of it and store it in refrigerator. So this method, whatever I am going to show you today, you can store the pickle for more than a year. It's a very tasty and mouth-watering recipe. Surely you all need to give it a try. You will not regret. So for making this pickle, here I have selected that country tomato, that is the nutty one. Don't select the hybrid ones. If you select the hybrid one, the juice will not be sufficient to make it more tastier. So select the nutty ones. I have taken here 1 kg of nutty tomatoes. So we got it for 7 rupees in Bangalore. So now the tomato prices are a little bit cheap. Ensure that the tomatoes are a little bit hard. It is not like too much mushy. Now wash it thoroughly and dry completely, because even if small water droplets are there, it will lead to contamination. So whatever the utensils, whatever the board, knife, whatever we are using it, ensure that everything is clean and dry. So what we are going to do is make thick slices. Anyway, we are going to dry it and grind it, so you can chop the pieces roughly. So once everything is cut and kept ready, now we can transfer into a bowl. Now we are going to do one important step, which is called as a brining step. Brining means we are going to add in salt and we have to leave it for 2 days. This will make the tomato very softer, and also it helps to keep the tomatoes stay for longer time. So here I have taken one glass jar. Whenever you are making any pickle or anything of which is of higher quantity of salt, do not use steel container, or always use ceramic, porcelain, clay pot or glass material to store the pickle. So we are going to layer it with 1 layer salt and 1 layer of tomato, and we are going to fill the bottle. So since the quantity of tomatoes are large, so I have taken 2 bottles. So the salt quantity, if you see, you need to take around 1 cup of salt. Use rock salt for all the pickle preparation. That will give you more taste and that will help the pickle to stay more longer. So these are the small tips to make your pickle very interesting. So first, in 1 bottle I have used half a cup of rock salt, and another bottle I am going to use another half a cup. So once you layer it, just mix it well and leave it for 2 days at room temperature. Salt always add in higher amount because it's going to act as one of the preservative. So now after 2 days, if you see, the tomato has left some water and it has shrunken little bit. So this is how it looks like. See, the color of the tomato did not change. Still it looks more fresh. It's because of the amount of salt whatever we have added. This is exactly after 2 days. Now what we are going to do is we are going to transfer into a bowl, and we need to squeeze out and remove all the tomato pieces. You take a big steel plate or something which we are going to keep under sunlight for 1 whole day. So you can do it in the early morning time, so that night you can do the pickle preparation. It is going to be very easy. After this, the steps are very simple. Leave some gap and keep, so that it gets dried faster. Now it's summer season also, it's very hot out here, so if you keep 1 day, it's more than enough. It will get dried out completely. So in 2 plates I have distributed and kept, and these were the tomato juices also I kept in 1 bowl. So all these things we are going to keep under sunlight. Cover it with some mesh or something, so that the insects or ants will not come. If you're staying in a place where the sunlight is not enough, you need to keep it for at least 2 days. Now to the tomato juice, we are going to add tamarind. Here approximately I have taken 150 gram of tamarind, a handful. I didn't measure and all, I'm just adding it based on the experience. So 150 gram, around 150 gram. Just wash it thoroughly 2 to 3 times in water. Remove all the threads whatever you see there and all the shells. You can mix the tamarind in the tomato juice. Now this also we are going to keep under sunlight. You can just close it with some mesh where the holes will be there. Ventilation also should go. The sun-dried steps we are doing so that the water content will evaporate and only the thick concentrate will remain. So with this thick concentrate, if you make the pickle will stay for more than 1 year. Now if you see, whole day it has dried. See how nicely it has dried and come. So that's all. Morning I kept, night it is ready. We are going to use this for pickle. And see, the tomato juice with tamarind, that also has reduced to volume. That means the water content has evaporated and the thick concentrate we have got it. Now take the mixer jar, ensure that the jar is clean and completely dry. Add the dried tomato pieces to it and juice along with the tamarind pieces. Just grind it to a fine paste. Now in a large pan, here I have taken 1 cup of gingerly oil. Oil you add little bit extra so that the pickle stays for longer time. Since it is a 1 kg of tomato, the pickle quantity is going to be higher. Use gingerly oil only for making pickle. That will give more taste and it helps the pickle to stay stronger and longer. So here I have added 1 to 2 tablespoons of mustard. Wait till completely the mustard get crackled. Do not add any other ingredients before it crackles, otherwise the pickle will get bitter taste to it. Now we are going to add some 4 to 5 dry red chili and then 20 garlic cloves. I have just opened it and crushed it well, and I'm just adding it. So here I am not going to add any methi or mustard powder, anything. The tadka is going to be very simple. Just add 1 tablespoon of hing. Now the important step is, once the garlic gets completely fried, you need to turn off the stove. So before adding chili powder and the pickle mixture, you need to ensure that you turn off your stove. Otherwise the chili powder and the pickle will get burnt and you will start getting the bitter taste and the burnt smell. We don't want that. So here I have turned off the stove completely, and before the oil gets cooled down, I'm adding the grinded mixture of the pickle. I have grinded to 90 to 95% completely smoother paste. So now if you see, all the bubbles in the oil had gone down. That means the oil is not boiling hot, but it is still warm. At this stage I am going to add chili powder. Chili powder I am adding around 1 full cup of chili powder. So based upon your taste, you can decrease or increase the chili powder quantity. That is totally up to you. And once you add the chili powder, ensure that you mix it well so that it gets combined. So immediately if you taste and try, the pickle will be super strong. I would suggest keep it for 2 to 3 days just like that at room temperature, and after 3 days you can start consuming it. It is going to be super awesome and everything is going to get balanced in another 3 days. Once it gets completely cooled down, just transfer into a ceramic jar or a glass bottle and store it in refrigerator. You can leave it outside also for a year. Do not store the pickle in stainless steel container, it will rust. Now the fun part is, in our childhood days, whenever the grandmother she prepares the pickle, the last part we will add some 2 to 3 tablespoons of white rice to it. Just mix it in hand, make it into small balls, and she will give it to all the grandchildren. So it is a very much heavenly feel you get when you eat that pickle rice, masala rice. So everybody would have got that experience. I wanted to share the same experience with you, and we enjoyed it. We all loved it. This is how you make the authentic traditional sun-dried pickle. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. Stay happy, be positive, and spread the positivity to everybody. Thanks for watching.